Right now, the propagation report with Mike Bird in Sydney.
Myra, the sun has been very quiet this past fortnight, and the geomagnetic field was generally quiet to unsettled, except on 2 occasions, resulting in a pretty normal working ionosphere. There were 2 low-strength M-class flares recorded. The first took place on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, and was rated an M1.4, which peaked at 0409 UTC, producing a low-strength shortwave fade-out over Australia and East Asia. The other flare was also rated an M1.4, taking place on Friday the 6th of June, producing another low-strength shortwave fade-out, this time over North America and Eastern Pacific. The solar flux, which is a measurement of the sun's radio noise at a frequency of 2,800 megahertz, ranged between 99 and 111 flux units, which corresponds to effective sunspot numbers of 46 to 62. The geomagnetic field was generally quiet to unsettled this past fortnight, except on Thursday the 5th of June between midday and midnight UTC, when it became active with slight incursions into minor storm thresholds. Then on Saturday the 7th of June, active to minor storm thresholds were again reached late in the UTC day. The ionosphere behaved at fair to good thresholds, except during the southern hemisphere local winter nighttime, when maximum usable frequencies dropped to below predicted levels. Turning now to Solar Cycle 24, the latest sunspot number to be published is for November 2013, which stood at 75.4, which is a slight increase on the figure for October 2013, when it stood at 75. So we have a new solar cycle, 24 maximum, in November 2013 of 75.4.
So what's the forecast going to be like then?
IPS Radio and Space Services expect solar activity will range between low and moderate levels. There are currently 8 sunspot regions visible on the solar disk. 3 of these regions have flare potential, so we could witness an increase in shortwave fadeouts. As for the geomagnetic field, we hope it will remain quiet to unsettled, but those active sunspot regions may produce some disturbances.
Thank you so much, Mike, and we'll talk to you again in 2 weeks.